amazing ants. Toot, Put, Chit, and Pit were tiny ants. They were walking in a line. Maria was watching them. What if I stop them? Maria thought. She put her hand before the first ant. Pit yelled,
Maria, let us go. Wow, you can talk. Talk to me.
Maria said. We can't stop. We have lots of work to do, said Put. Work? Maria smiled. You're having fun running from one end of the table to the other.
Hi, I am Toot, the cook ant. There are thousands of cook ants. We get food for all the other ants in our colony.
Food for the whole colony? Maria said. That is a lot of food. I, along with a group of 1,000 ants, am the worker ant. We build and repair our colony, said Put. Who are you? Maria asked Chit.
I am one of the nurse ants. We look after the eggs and the sick ants,
said Chit. Hey you, the ant with the flag. Who are you? Maria looked carefully.
I am the soldier ant.
Pit marched ahead.
I, with many other soldier ants, guard the colony.
You are right. All of you are really busy. Here, Toot, take some sugar as you go, said Maria.